Today we're gonna swap out a shower valve and some stops. Let's get to work. Tile guy's waiting for me. Used and abused. Just like your sister, kid. First you gotta drain it. I already prefabbed the new one, so it's just a matter of cutting the other one out and putting in the prefab one. Now let's just tie it in. We got the fuzz. The fuzz is outside. They're after me. I buy these cutters only. I don't get any other ones. When they don't work anymore, I throw them away. They're 19 bucks. I buy another one. Blue nipples. I grew up with a kid. We called them blue nipples. Now I'm twisting blue nipples. There it is. Now I just gotta change out the stops. Obviously they don't work. Sink's gone, faucet's still there. How you doing? Let's go turn the water on. Check this one for leaks. Go to the next one. Might as well be sure on one and then move on to the next one. It's like your morning pee. Now the tile guy got water again. Alright, so water and gas is off. Now I just got to disconnect the stove, the old sink, and remove the toilet and that sink. We just got to keep the people moving so I can keep going at the 10 units. Well, that one's done. The cabinets got in the way though. I found this underneath the cabinets. It's porcelain, so it's got to be pretty old. Like I don't have enough junk in my house. Disconnect another one so the demo guys can get going. Let's get to work. And we got another one demoed. New stops. That way they can get going. Next week's gonna be fun. Looks like I got 12 tub drains. Anybody wanna come and give me a hand?